aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you.
I think they heard us.
Yep, they heard you.
They heard me. And they saw me.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower.
Look,
As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought that it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable.
They just bought four. I said there's
For your own safety, please stay in your seat.
Must have a show down there. You see all
And
the
no smoking.
lights and everything in the water.
Oh, there's actually that one's really good.
is it?
Yeah, and it's the one that has the
Oh, look, there they go. Yeah, look.
negative.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals?
That's what you were talking about, Kaylee. I mean, that one little spot, it dips up a little.
I said it's
Partner
negative.
agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to
Yeah, that's
protect
what I've
our
been
amazing
saying all day.
animals and their habitat.
Y'all are good.
Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care.
Yep.
Always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild.
It is empty. There's barely anybody here. But it is closing too.
Do you see the park mark?
There's the convention center.
It's not that bad though. The other one. Alright, Nani, that's our next ride right there.
I'm looking for
Kitty
the park.
coaster.
I see
Yeah,
the park.
and, you know, when I was pregnant with you, I
Oh, yeah,
so
right.
much.
No, that's the one out there.
It's the parking lot.
No, that's
This is the parking lot. What is that? I cannot
Well,
hear.
we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles.
It's the parking lot.
It may be the
As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for lots of tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside
Look at
dolphins.
the orca. Look at the orca from here.
That's where we so not until the
Also
trees
across
are
the
shut
street from
down.
SeaWorld, you'll
So when
find
the trees are up, they don't do it.
our water park hosts the most water slides in the region. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today
Yeah, so
to
once
see
all
how
the
you
stuff's
can
down,
embrace
it's-
Discovery Cove
that's me.
and Aquatica.
You want to donkey to be
Okay, our condo is over that way because see that convention center? We're over there by it.
Unless they do
They had to have it there.
well, that's the new one that you said.
Yeah. So I guess you stand the whole time.
Oh,
It's like
that's the water
surfing.
park. That's your water
Yeah, it's
park.
supposed to be like surfing. That's like what they had.
SeaWorld has a water park.
I don't want to try it. It's pretty good.
Lots of good slides.
Aquatica.
It seems so small from up here.
Yeah.
So the green one I rode and was the one I got so sick afterwards.
Yeah.
I got so sick. I thought I was gonna die. I did. They were like, and I think they could hear me, and ladies were like, oh, the bathroom. I'm like, no. But you're gonna get so wet during it. You guys know, like, I'm gonna die in the SeaWorld bathroom. It's gonna be like, what a way to die. Yeah, what a way to die.
In my opinion.
Oh, that's the one we're going right. Okay. I didn't see the, when you pointed the section, I saw, I didn't see the roller coaster itself. So I started going up.
We are on a mission to protect marine life and the ocean's safe health. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet.
Not really.
Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protection, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and see it out. Park to play.
Because I think, where's that bridge?
So the show,
Right behind us down here.
Behind.
so normally, I don't even see the sign right here in the SeaWorld Theater. They have like an animal show where they come and show you like animals and stuff.
We're gonna go that way. that bridge and go across.
What's it not
To get to where our
I think he songs and
To find more information on any of our award-winning events, guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, visit us online at SeaWorld.com, download the SeaWorld app, or stop by the guest information counter.